this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to manually record tenants' payments in Buildium. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to buildium.com and log into your account. From here, you should be doing something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go to the menu and click Rental and then click Tenants. From here, you'll need to go over here to Receive Payment. When you clicked on that, you can see here you need to choose a resident account. And if you go to this icon over here, the top menu, you'll see an overview of all of your existing tenants. From here, you can add in amount that they paid. You can add in the date over here. You can add a payment method, either cash, cashier's check, credit card, direct deposit, electric payment, or a money order. So from here, you can add a check number, which is optional. You can add the receive from, you can add a memo, and you can add attachment where you can select a file that you can drag and drop or browse from your library over here. Down here, you can apply payments to balances. This is where the invoice really looks like. And here you can add in last month's rent, and you can see the balance over here that you can see the total amount of. And you can add a new row if you want to do that, if there is any more things that the tenant needs to pay for. And you can delete them by clicking on this X over here. From here, you can also print receipt or email the receipt to yourself. From here, you can add save payment and you can see the payment has been saved. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!